Good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation, and the house Rockin is finished. We could not be any happier how this turned out. Daniel and his guys just really did their usual perfect masonry job. Got some Yukon stacked slate. And as they say, you can't get any better than perfect. And that's what we've got. It's just a perfect example of quality stonework, attention to detail, clean job site, all the things that create repeat business, as well as make a house look so beautiful. Nice attention to detail on the steps. They split the stone so it wouldn't kick out into the tread. Nice work on the corners. Good weave. I had some obstacles on this wall, but again, couldn't have done a better job. We're going to get some new mulch down, and this will look like it's always been here. So if you need quality masonry work, stone work, decorative concrete, any type of block or brick, please give us a call. We've got skilled masons with experience to get it right for you the first time. 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.